I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways you can use the Artis Linear 3 Demi brush. The fiber bundle of the Linear 3 Demi is the same width as the Linear 3, but half the length, which means extra precision whether working on curved areas or in straight lines. It's amazing for applying skincare in targeted areas, blending color into the brows, adding an accent highlight, and much more. I love using mine to apply a lip mask or an eye mask to depuff models on set before a long shoot day. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether using liquids, powders, or creams, and apply Semblance makeup beautifully on any skin type. Here are some of my favorite ways to use the Linear 3 Demi. When defining the brow with Linear 3 Demi, slide your brush across your favorite brow powder once, and gently glide your brush along the bottom of your brow for definition and blend up into the brow. The Artis CosmeFibre bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you need a fraction of the product used with conventional brushes and a gentle application, which gives you a soft yet precise shape. Place your Linear 3 Demi into your cream liner product and gently glide your brush from the inner corner to the outer corner to perfect in minimal strokes. Linear 3 Demi makes for a seamless and easy to achieve line. Linear 3 Demi is perfect for defining around the brow, lip, or eye for precise edges where you want them. Glide your Linear 3 Demi onto your favorite concealer stick and gently move the brush back and forth around the corner of the lip or edge of the brow for extra perfection. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.